Hello everyone, welcome back. And yes guys, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to have this lunch mukbang, and this is vegetarian curry, and I have this here, purple salad or purple cabbage salad. Yan. No dressing guys, just vegetables, purple cabbage, tomato, and broccoli sprout. And I have here one orange and green tea. So let's start guys. And yes, this is just mixed vegetables, and I just added a curry cubes. So let's eat. And I added, the other day I make this also, but I don't add mushrooms, but this time I added mushrooms. Dito na ako guys lagi magmukbang kasi mas klaro siya. Kaso hirap lang ako itayo yung aking device kasi hindi naman pwedeng lagyan dito ng tripod. So yun sa background ko, hayaan niya. I don't need this with rice because I added this with, this one is sweet potato, so no need of rice. And this one is potato. Carrots. Parang mauuhaw ako. Basta kumain ako ng potato guys, sweet potato, nauuhaw ako. Medyo maputo lang yung ulo ko kasi nga hirap ako mag-ano ng aking device. Wala akong pangsangga ba para tumayo ng maayos. Curry cubes yun. I like the sauce guys, so I gonna do like this. I like the sauce. For minutes na ako ha. Tignan ko sa iba. Kasi naka 4 minutes na ako dyan. Ito kamayin ko na yun guys. Puputol talaga yung ulo ko guys kasi next time gawa kong paraan. Paano ko siya may tayo? 5 minutes na ito. Hindi ko siya masyadong mahaba yun. Kasi 5 minutes na mahigit. Okay guys, once again, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the red button for subscribe and ring the bell for notifications para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload. I'll see you guys on the next vlog.